Hi, I am Mirco. Today we are looking at requests from customers that want to build a brand or a label. Here the logo of the manufacturer can sometimes be quite disturbing. For this case, Fruit of the Loom has tear-away labels. This way you can just grab the label and tear it out. With the option to print direct-to-film on the RICOH machine as well, we can easily produce a new neck label into the t-shirts. For the labels we use a DTF process, that is, direct-to-film. Here is the transparent film. To prevent the film from sliding on the plate and to avoid any blurring on the print, I'm going to attach it with a little bit of water. Just spray some on and keep it in place with the moisture. This way nothing can slip away. After printing, I now have to apply the glue. For this we use a granules. I'm simply going to pull the film through the adhesive granules. It will stick to wet areas and just fall off of dry ones. When your film is done and the glue has bonded with the ink or the color, you simply take the transfer film, put it onto the right place on the t-shirt and press it on. After 10 to 15 seconds of pressing, the adhesive should have fused with the textile. We will now wait just a bit for the cold peel film to cool down so we can remove everything completely, and the film will be easy to remove. Neck labels are definitely a great feature for your customers. From a quantity of just one, you can create a completely individual product. This will instantly differentiate you from the competition. Why did I use DTF for this? Firstly, with this sheet, I just finished over 20 t-shirts. Secondly, I can use a range of materials to print on. I can print on polyester, hard-to-reach places, and I just have a much greater variety of possibilities than in the direct-to-garment process. All information about the textiles that we used, as well as the printer from RICOH, can be found in the description.